we're going to check out some vocabulary that's going to blow your mind. I'm sure you've all seen this emoji before. You see this guy, like his brain is exploding. Well, what this emoji means is that something blows your mind or that something is mind-blowing. So what does it mean? Well, first of all, we're going to talk about two ways of expressing something that is extremely surprising or something that is extremely exciting or something that is more than impressive. You need an expression to talk about this, dude. So the expression is blows my mind. Boom, right? Or you can use the adjective, a hyphenated adjective. The hyphenated adjective is mind-blowing. Boom, the adjective form. So when we use these expressions, this expression in this adjective in English, what we are saying is we're describing something as extremely surprising, extremely exciting, or more than impressive. So let's check out the expression. When using the expression, we're going to use the verb blow. Blow, blew, blown. So you have to be able to use the form of the verb in its three forms. It's an irregular verb, blow in the base form, blew in the simple past, and blown in the participle. So you need to be able to control the verb blow. Blow is like an explosion. Something blows up, just like this guy's brain. And using it as an expression, here are some examples that you can use. Number one, what SpaceX is doing blows my mind. Wow. It's just more than impressive. It's more than exciting. Those rockets that are going to go to Mars and explore outer space and build a moon station. Oh my God. It just blows my mind, man, thinking about all these things that SpaceX is doing. Number two, I saw the new self-driving Tesla cars and it blew my mind. It's just like, what? Cars driving by themselves? Are you kidding me? Hey, it's not science fiction anymore, dude. It's real life. It's going on right now. So it just blows my mind to think that we're going to see cars, Uber cars, driving around the city with no drivers, no passengers, no drivers in that case. So it just blows my mind thinking about that. That's exciting. That's surprising. Number three, we were blown away when Elon Musk bought Twitter. I mean, come on, Elon, isn't it enough? You already have Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, and all of these incredible high-end technology companies. Come on, Elon, you had to go and buy Twitter. Are you kidding me? It blows my mind now that this guy now is involved in social media. So it's just more than impressive. How can you run all of these companies, Elon? I mean, how can you be the CEO of all of these companies? It just blows my mind because obviously you don't sleep, bro. Okay, good. Let's go over here. Now let's talk about mind-blowing. When something is mind-blowing, you're describing a thing or a situation as more than impressive, more than overwhelming, staggering if you want. And in the adjective form, you're going to use a hyphenated structure. So you have mind, hyphen, and blowing. That's it. It's a closed structure. Over here, you're using the verb form. Over there, it's an adjective form. So it's just consider this as the single word. Here are some examples that you can use when talking about something that is more than impressive. Number one, it's mind-blowing what Elon Musk's companies are doing. It's just mind-blowing, man. I can't fathom. I can't think about, just put it together. Like, how can this guy do all this at the same time? Number two, imagine connecting your brain to a computer. It's mind-blowing, bro. It's mind-blowing that we're not going to use keyboards or mouse or mouse devices or touch screens. We're just going to go like, and then stuff is going to happen. So it's mind-blowing. Can you believe that? Number three, how was the presentation, bro? Dude, it was mind-blowing. I have no other words, bro. I was more than impressed. It was exciting. It was mind-blowing, bro. So yeah, you got to check it out. Okay, guys. So there you go. When you want to talk about something that is, you want to describe as more than surprising, more than overwhelming, staggering, or more than exciting, you're going to use these phrases. Blows my mind as the expression. Make sure to control the verb. That's all. And mind-blowing, the adjective, when you want to describe a situation. All right, guys? So, can you mention something that is mind-blowing to you? What has blown your mind recently? Tell us about it, man. All right? Thanks, dudes. Thanks for checking this out.